Hello students, I am J. Dinesh Kumar of Mechanical Department working as an assistant professor in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. I am so happy to present myself to you.
Draw a cam profile in case of knife edge follower using following data. Minimum radius of the cam is equal to 5 cm. Outstroke equal to 120 degree with simple harmonic motion. Outward dwell is equal to 60 degree. Return stroke equal to 120 degree with simple harmonic motion. Dwell for the remaining period of cam rotation. Stroke or lift of the follower equal to 6 cm. These are all the given data has been given in the problem. So the given data, outstroke equal to 120 degree and dwell outstroke is equal to 60 degree, return stroke is equal to 120 degree and return dwell is equal to the overall combination of the strokes minus the given data. Like the entire circle has 360 degree. So 120 minus 60 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. The remaining dwell is 60 degree. So lift or stroke is equal to 6 cm has been given in your given data, and then scale is equal to 1 centimeter equal to 20 degree on x axis of the cam rotation, and then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter on y axis of lift or stroke of the follower has been taken in your given data. Okay. So here outstroke equal to 120 degree. So 1 centimeter equal to 20 degree we have taken it. So 120 divided by 20 is equal to 6 centimeter. Same, dwell outstroke equal to 60 degree. So 60 divided by 20 equal to 3 centimeter. Return stroke equal to 120. So 120 divided by 20 equal to 6 centimeter. We have assumed that 1 centimeter is equal to 20 degree and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 on y axis. So here for outstroke we received 6 centimeter, for dwell 3 centimeter and return stroke 6 centimeter we have received. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter on y axis, 1 centimeter equal to 20 degree on x axis. So lift or stroke is equal to 6 centimeter. We have to draw the displacement diagram by the given data. Let us start the displacement. Horizontal line of 18 centimeter and vertical of 6, and again you have to close the box, and theta outstroke equal to 6 centimeter, dwell is equal to 3, return is equal to 6 centimeter, again dwell return is equal to 3 centimeter. Divide the first quadrant of 6 centimeter into 6 equal divisions. For dwell we can leave it the space because it is at rest. For theta return, again divide it in 6 equal division and same as on dwell. Mark the center line into it. So dwell is equal to 60 and return is equal to 120, can mark it, and then remaining dwell we can leave it and mark the center line into it and make a semicircle. In the left hand, mark the midpoint of 3 centimeter vertical line, mark it as simple harmonic motion. Divide the semicircle into 6 equal division. As before, you divide the horizontal line of theta naught. So 180 degree divided by 6 equal to 30 degree. Mark the angles of 30 degree here and mark the point as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Also mark a point in a horizontal line of point 0 to 6 in theta naught. Make a line from 1 to 1, 2 to 2 and 3 to 3. For example, 2 in a vertical line and mark in the horizontal line. Wherever it meets, make it as a point. So 3 ends with 3 and 4 to 4 and 5 to 5. Horizontal line meets with the vertical line, again 6 to 6, and make it as a point in the end. So once after that, you have to point the remaining 6 to 12 because we already divided the return stroke into 6 equal divisions. So because theta naught is equal to 120 and theta dwell is equal to 60 and theta return is equal to 120. So we already has divided. So likewise 1 to 1, so 1 to 6, 1 to 11 we have to project it. Again 2 to 10 and 3 to 9, 4 to 8, 5 to 7 and 6 to 6. We have to plot the points and make it a free scan sketch. and join the entire thing. So this is what the displacement diagram of a simple harmonic motion. So after completion of displacement, we have to draw the cam profile. So draw a circle of 5 cm radius from center, make an axis of horizontal line and vertical line, divide the circle into 6 equal divisions. We already have divided, so theta outstroke to 120 divided by 6, so 20 degree each. We have to divide and extend the line according to the coordinates. So 120 degree divided by 20, so 6 equal divisions has already had divided and plotted the points and extended the line. So we have to leave the 60 degree as dwell. So we have to mark 60 degree remaining. So we have to take 60 degree and plot over there. So after plotting, we have to draw the dwell as 60 and return stroke of 120 degree. We have to take the angle again 120 divided by 6, 20 degree. So each carries 20 degree line. We have to extend it, and the blue indicates the knife edge follower, and we have to plot the points which we have done the displacement diagram, A, B, C, D, E and F, and up to F to L, right? So after completion of cam profile plotting the points, we have to measure 1 to A. So we have to measure the point 1 to A, 2 to B by using the scale, or else you can take the compass and measure it, and extended line we have to plot the point, right? So 0 to the line which indicates the length of 1 to A. So after taking, we have to place center the scale of 1 to A and measure it, and we have to just, you can use the compass to make an arc, or else you can just use your scale to measure and place the point. Okay, likewise 2 to B. So 2 to B, can measure it and we can plot the point from 2 to B. So here 2 to B, like 3 to C. So we have to measure the point. Here we are using a scale to place over the, so C we have plotted it. Again 4 to D, we should measure it. Again the 4 point to D, we have to plot it. And 5 to E, again 5 to E, 6 to F, so plotted it. So we have placed the entire plotations over in theta outstroke. Likewise, we have to leave the dwell cycle, and then again in return we have to follow the same procedure here and plot the points and mention the plotted points as F, G, H, I, J, K and L, right? So we have plotted the entire points here. Now by using a pencil, we have to join all the points like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L by using the smooth curve in a free hand. And then finally 12 to O, we just plot over the circle itself, right? We just plotted over it, and by using the free hand, we just join over the smooth curves, transfer the entire points here and join it, okay? In this semicircle remaining plots, we have just joined the entire curve. So for this knife edge follower, having simple harmonic motion during the outstroke as well as return stroke, we have done it.